Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Weekly time frame is nag-close ng red candle. But this is forming pin bar and below average yung volume. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. Kung makikita natin sa daily time frame is nag-close ng breakout sa trendline resistance natin. Good news for buyers. And tingnan pa natin sa lower time frame. So BTC is nag-create na ng first low, higher low, and another higher low. And currently, lumilipad yung BTC. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, if i-continue ni BTC yung momentum to create another higher low and higher high, possible it's a reversal na for BTC to uptrend momentum. So invalidation natin is the moment na basagin ni BTC yung support area natin and pakita niya tayo ng volume. But currently, sa pinapakita ng BTC, we are on a uptrend momentum na.